Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Sir English Language. My name is Alex.
And I'm Maya. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we want to talk about something very important, something many English learners feel. Do you ever feel stuck? You know many English words, you study grammar, you watch videos, but when you want to speak, nothing comes out.
Or maybe the words come out very, very slowly. You think in your language first, then you translate in your head, then you speak. It feels hard. It feels tiring.
Yes, this is a very common problem, and today we want to help you. We want to teach you how to train your brain, how to think in English, not translate. Just think in English.
This is a big goal, a happy goal, and we promise you it is possible. You can do this.
Learning English should be easy. It should be fun, not hard work, not stress. Today, we will give you 5 clear steps, 5 habits you can start today.
And we will practice together. We will ask you to speak with us. Don't be shy. This is your safe space.
So, are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, let's start with step number 1. This is very important. We call it think in small sentences.
What does this mean? Let me explain. Right now, when you want to say something in English, what happens in your brain?
Maybe you think in your language first. For example, if your language is Spanish, you think tengo hambre. Then your brain translates I am hungry. Then you say it.
This process is slow. It takes time, and it makes speaking feel difficult. But there is a better way.
The better way is train your brain to think directly in English. No translation, just English.
Now I know what you're thinking. Alex, that sounds impossible. How can I do that? Don't worry, we will show you. And we will start very, very small.
Small sentences, simple sentences, like this. I wake up. I stretch. I am ready.
Let's practice together. I want you to think about your morning. What do you do when you wake up? Let's describe it in small English sentences.
I will go first. I wake up. I open my eyes. I sit up. I stretch my arms. I feel good.
Beautiful. Now you try. Say it with me. I wake up. Good. I open my eyes.
Excellent. I stretch my arms.
You are doing great. Now let's try something else. Look around your room. What do you see? Describe it in small sentences.
I will show you. I see a bed. The bed is big. I see a table. The table is brown. I see a lamp. The lamp is on.
Do you see? Very simple, very small. But this is exercise for your brain. Your brain is learning to think in English.
Now you try. Look around. What do you see? Say it out loud. I see a...
Perfect. Maybe you said, I see a chair, or I see a window. It doesn't matter what you said. What matters is you thought in English.
This is the secret. When you do this every day, your brain gets stronger. English becomes natural, not translation, just English.
So, your homework for step 1, every morning describe your routine in small English sentences. in your head or out loud. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I am ready.
Do this every day, just 2 or 3 minutes. Your brain will thank you.
Now, let's talk about step number 2. This step is called input.
Input. What is input, Alex?
Good question, Maya. Input means putting English into your brain. How? By listening, by watching.
Ah, so we listen to English, we watch English videos. This is input.
Exactly. And this is very, very important. Your brain needs to hear English, a lot of English, every day.
But there is so much English content. Movies, podcasts, songs, videos. Where do we start?
Great question. Here is the secret. Start with simple English, not fast English, not complicated English, simple English.
Like our channel?
Yes, exactly like our channel. We speak slowly. We use simple words. This is perfect for your brain.
Why is simple English better? Let me explain. When you listen to simple English, your brain can understand. Your brain hears the words. It hears the rhythm. It hears the music of English.
But if you listen to very fast English or very difficult English, your brain gets confused. The words sound like blushfish, blushfish, blushfish. You don't understand anything.
So, rule number 1, choose simple content, simple podcasts, simple videos, simple songs.
Let's talk about songs. Do you like music?
I love music.
Me too. And music is amazing for learning English. Why? Because songs repeat the same words again and again and again.
For example, a pop song might say, I love you, I need you, I want you, over and over, and your brain remembers.
So find simple English songs you like. Listen to them. Sing with them. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just enjoy the music.
Now let's talk about videos. You can watch videos about things you love.
Do you like cooking? Watch simple cooking videos in English. The person will say, I see the tomato. I cut the tomato. I add salt. I stir.
Do you like football? Watch football news in English. He kicks the ball. It is a goal. The team is happy.
Do you like travel? Watch travel videos. This is Paris. It is beautiful. I see the Eiffel Tower. The sky is blue.
Do you see the pattern? Choose topics you love. Then English is not work. English is fun.
Your brain learns better when you are happy, when you are interested. So choose content you enjoy.
How much should you listen? We recommend 10 to 15 minutes every day, every single day.
It doesn't need to be long, just consistent. Every day you feed your brain English, and your brain gets stronger and stronger.
Let's practice. I will say a simple sentence. You listen carefully. Then you repeat. Ready?
I like to drink coffee in the morning.
Good. The weather is nice today.
Excellent. I am learning English every day.
You are doing so well. Remember, listen to simple English every day. Podcasts, songs, videos. Your brain will love it.
Okay, now we come to step number 3. This is a very powerful step. We call it output.
Output? What is output?
Output is the opposite of input. Input is listening and watching. Output
is speaking.
Ah, so we need to speak English.
Yes, but here is the problem. Many learners say, I don't have anyone to speak English with. I am alone.
And we say, that's okay. You can speak to yourself.
Speak to yourself? Yes, this is one of the best ways to practice.
I know. You might think, if I speak to myself, people will think I am crazy.
But listen, you can do this in your room, in your car, in the shower, anywhere you are alone.
And speaking to yourself is very powerful. Why? Because your brain needs to produce English, not just hear it, produce it.
When you speak, your brain works hard. It finds the words. It makes the sentences. It practices.
So, how do you speak to yourself? Simple. Describe your world. Describe what you are doing.
For example, right now, I am sitting. I can say, I am sitting. I am talking. I am happy. I see Maya. She is smiling.
Or if you are cooking, you can say, I am cooking. I cut the tomato. The tomato is red. I add salt. I stir the pot.
If you are watching football, you can say, he runs. He kicks the ball. It is a goal. I am excited.
Do you see? You describe what you see, what you do, what you feel.
And here's another idea. At the end of the day, before you sleep, talk about your day.
Today, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I ate breakfast. I had toast and coffee. I worked. I talked to my friend. I was happy.
Simple sentences, small sentences, but you are speaking. You are producing English.
Now, I know some of you are thinking, but what if I make a mistake?
Mistakes are good. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning.
When you make a mistake, don't feel bad. Just say, oh, okay, and try again.
Your brain learns from mistakes, so don't be afraid. Be brave.
Let's practice together. I will ask you a question. You answer out loud. Ready?
What is your name?
Good. Where are you from?
Excellent. What did you eat for breakfast today?
You are amazing. Now, here is your homework. Every day, speak to yourself for 5 minutes. Describe your world. Describe your day. Use small, simple sentences.
Your ears need to hear your voice speaking English. This is how you build confidence.
Now, let's talk about step number 4. This step is about making English personal, making English yours.
What does this mean? It means connect English to your interests, to the things you love.
Many people study English from textbooks. They learn words like apple, book, table, but they don't care about these words.
And when you don't care, your brain doesn't remember. Your brain says, this is boring. I don't need this.
But when you learn English words about things you care about, your brain says, yes, this is interesting. I want to remember this.
So think about your hobbies. What do you love to do?
Do you love cooking? Then learn English cooking words like knife, pan, boil, fry, delicious.
Do you love sports? Learn sports words. Goal, team, win, lose, champion.
Do you love music? Learn music words like song, singer, guitar, melody, rhythm.
Do you love nature? Learn nature words. Tree, flower, mountain, river, sunset.
When you learn words you care about, English becomes fun. English becomes part of your life.
And here's another tip. Watch videos in English about your interests, not just any videos, videos about what you love.
If you love fashion, watch fashion videos. If you love technology, watch technology videos. If you love animals, watch animal videos. Your brain will be happy. And when your brain is happy, you learn faster.
Let's practice. Think about one thing you love, one hobby, one interest. Now say it in English. I love.
Beautiful. Now think of one word related to your interest. Say it out loud.
Perfect. You are connecting English to your life. This is the secret.
Now we come to our final step. Step number 5. This is the most important step of all.
What is it?
Be patient and be consistent.
Ah, yes. This is so important.
Learning a language is slow. It takes time. It is not fast, and that is okay.
Many people want to speak English perfectly in 1 month, but this is not realistic.
Your brain needs time. Your brain is like a muscle. When you go to the gym, you don't get strong in one day. You need to go every day, for weeks, for months.
English is the same. You need to practice every day, a little bit every day.
We recommend 10 to 15 minutes every day, not 3 hours one day, then nothing for a week. No, small practice every single day.
Consistency is the key. Every day you feed your brain English, and slowly, your brain changes.
One day you will notice you are thinking in English, not translating, just thinking in English, and you will feel so proud.
But you must be patient with yourself. Be kind to your brain.
Some days you will feel good, some days you will feel frustrated. This is normal.
On the hard days, remember, you are learning. You are growing. Every small step counts.
And remember, mistakes are good. Mistakes are your friends. They show you where to improve.
So don't give up. Keep going. We believe in you.
Let's practice one more time. Repeat after me. I am learning English.
I practice every day.
I am patient with myself.
I can do this.
Yes, you can do this.
We covered so much today.
Yes, let's do a quick summary. Let's remember the 5 steps.
Step 1. Think in small sentences. Describe your morning. Describe your room. Train your brain to think in English.
Step 2. Listen to simple English. Podcasts, songs, videos. Feed your brain English every day.
Step 3. Speak to yourself. Describe your world. Describe your day. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Step 4. Connect English to your interests. Learn words about things you love. Watch videos about your hobbies.
Step 5. Be patient and consistent. Practice a little bit every day. Be kind to yourself.
These 5 steps will train your brain to think in English, not translate, just think in English.
And remember, learning English should be fun, not stress, not hard work, fun.
We are so proud of you for being here today, for learning with us. You are doing an amazing job.
Keep practicing, keep going, and we will see you in the next video.
Before you go, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for watching. We love you.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.